This is a flash chromatography. So first thing I did is, as you can see, like this one does not have a glass fitting over here. So what I did is I just added a little bit of cotton, or you can add glass wool also, and then sand. So on the top of that, now I'm going to add silica. So when you add silica, it's better if you can do the wet loading, which means that you can make suspension of silica in the solvent system that you are going to use for the column, and then you can load it. So that's what I'm going to do next. So this is my suspension of silica in the solvent system. So I just close the stopcock, or you can leave the container, some kind of container underneath it. So in this case I close it and then pour it through the column. As you can see, you see it fill completely. So wherever the amount you want, and then you just apply a little bit of pressure slowly. Make sure you open the stopcock and apply the pressure slowly so that it will be packed. So this is the ideal way to do the packing, because you don't get any air bubble or anything inside the column. So if you do the dry loading and then try to saturate it with the solvent system you are going to use, it takes a lot of time, and also that leave some air bubble inside. So I found that this is the best way to do it. As you can see, you see the packing silica very well. Once you do that, then you can load your sample on the top of that using a pipette, and then add some silica after loading the product or the crude material on the top. And I will going to do next that. Now I added my crude material on the top of the column, as you can see over here. So I dissolved that in my L1s I am using. So now I'm going to bring the volume, the solvent level as matching with the silica over here, and then I can add the sand. So if you add sand now, so silica is going to the sand is going to submerge inside the solvent, so that some of your product will stay on the top of the sand, which is not good when you add the solvent that you are using to do the column chromatography. So you see this as cracking of the column because it was not saturated completely, and this is happen when dichloromethane is added into the column. You see that. So now I'm going to stop maybe a little bit. Okay, now I stop the pressure. Then now I'm going to add silica, and sand on the top of the silica. There's no need to add silica again. Okay. Now you can add whatever the solvent system you are using, and then use this fitting on the top of that like this, and then I'm going to clamp it over here, and then you can adjust the pressure according to the speed you need over there. So it is very important not column dry. If you let it dry, then it starts this cracking. So in this case it happened because of the dichloromethane I am using in the column. So I hope this helps somehow to get you an idea how to start how to do a flash column briefly. So here's my column. Now I just connected the pressure. I use air over here right now, and then this is my solvent level, and here's my collection. So you can adjust the air pressure from this black knob over here, so that you can do the speed, increase the speed. So it's always better to keep the hood shares down, so that in case something happen, you are safe. So that's why I keep my hood shares over here, so I can always change the test tube when it is filled. So happy column.